Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this video is a good old school unboxing, but with an extra thrown in, here it is, for you. So this is a huge giveaway. It is the biggest one I have ever done. I said that during Vlogmas with the Wolf jewelry box, and I did the nice Le Creuset one as well. I know the recipient really enjoyed that and got to choose a color and everything. It's fun for me to do this because it makes me feel connected to you in a particular way. Reading all of the comments on the giveaway videos always makes me feel like I get to know you in a special way that, you know, the only way to top that is really to have a meetup, which I would love to do. But in the meantime, I know that it's been a little bit slow on my channel this summer. I've just had a lot going on and I'm creating a lot of new things as well. And my way of doing that is really to take a little bit of a step back and decide exactly what my vision is for something, for my jewelry line, what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep, and have the time and headspace to do that. So I've been doing that and it's really good for me, and I will be relaunching in August. And so this giveaway is in tandem to that. It's going to be open for a full 2 months. So I want to thank you for your patience in waiting to hear who the winner is. But I do want as many people to enter as they can. But I know everyone is busy during the summer, and so I want you to get the opportunity to enter if you want to. So that's why I'm doing the full 2 months. And all you need to do to enter is to let me know in the comments down below how your summer is going so far and something that you are looking forward to in the fall. So 2 things. The winner will be chosen at random. It's not based on the substance of your answer, but I will read every single comment nonetheless to get to catch up with your news. And this giveaway is for my subscribers and followers of Instagram only. So if you haven't already, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and follow me on Instagram as well. In times when I'm really busy, a lot of you don't realize how much time it takes to edit a video. It's basically, you know, a multi-day project. And so, you know, just hopping on Instagram to say hi, share quick things that I love, food, local things as well here in Washington, all of that kind of happens on Instagram. So if you haven't already followed me there, please do, because this is for my community. I do my giveaways entirely for my community every single time. So I never ask you to bring in new people, because I really value the community that I've created and I want it to grow only in an organic way. I think it's super pyramid scheme like when you have to, you know, refer someone else. If there is someone in your life who you think would enjoy my content, which is mostly aesthetic with little bits of career tips and my, you know, little bits of my journey thrown in as well, then please let them know. But otherwise, I'm a little bit different as an influencer, and I really do focus on that and on kind of having this little niche. Without further ado, don't forget to leave your comment and then subscribe and follow me on Instagram to enter to win this beautiful bag. But first, I'm going to unbox mine. So I got 2 of these. This is the Becky handbag. Both of them were purchased at the Waikiki store. They actually just opened a new store in the Royal Hawaiian Center, and my sales associate Yumi, who is amazing, definitely go say hello to her if you go to Hawaii. Had a wonderful trip there recently where I created a lot, and it just felt so right to be back there as my home away from home. I had spent 13 months away, which was way too long for my liking, and you'll see when I launch my collection that I want to give back to communities there in a special way, and the whole thing is kind of geared around that. But that is to come. In the meantime, I have a pretty new handbag to show you. The color is already given away. This is Yumi's writing because she knows, she's so excited for me to do this giveaway for you guys, so she knew one of them was for you and one for me, and this is the one for me that I'm going to unbox first. Saint Laurent, I think, has the best customer service, other than potentially if you have a good store, Louis Vuitton, if you have a good store near you. But it's right next to the Chanel boutique on Waikiki, and the difference is like night and day between the 2 stores in terms of the customer service you get. They will bring in any handbag that you want, and actually both of these were brought in for me. I tried on so many different bags. I knew I wanted something a little bit smaller and more casual, but not wallet on chain size. And it was interesting because I shopped both with myself and with you in mind because I wanted to find something that would work for both of us. But I did get different colors. So for me, I have so many black bags that I decided to get the dark beige. And it really fills a gap in my collection where the only thing that I have that is similarly colored is my mulberry lily, which has not aged as well as I would have liked. It's okay, it's nothing drastic, but it's also very, very heavy with the hardware. Night and day with this bag, which is so light and so easy and is a good fit for, I think, the outfits that I've been wearing recently. So here it is. There's a lot of foam on it. The packaging for Saint Laurent, I think, is the only way that they lag behind a little bit, but it is just kind of more of a pared down, kind of minimalist approach. I like, you know, go big or go home when it comes to packaging. But in terms of the handbag, the quality is just so fantastic. I've had several Loulous of different sizes. I have a collège bag that's pretty old now and still in beautiful condition. I just really appreciate the craftsmanship of these bags, and I do think that they're worth the money for the quality that you get, especially when compared to other, you know, high-end designers. So gosh, it has a lot of packaging on it. It's got the blue sticker here. I might not get to it all because I want to get to show you your bag, your potential bag. But I won't try to get too much into the guts of your bag because I want to leave it pristine. But here's how it is. So it has a divider in the middle, and it does function as a wallet on chain while being substantially larger than, for example, the Saint Laurent wallet on chain, the Chanel wallet on chain, or WOC. It has a lot more card slots than a wallet on chain normally does. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 10 card slots and then one large slot at the back. Be perfect for a checkbook if you still carry one of those around. But it's got loads of room for the largest phone you can possibly have. I love the gold hardware that is brushed. I think it makes it a lot easier to wear this bag both casually and in a dressed up way. I really like having comfortable straps on my bag, and if you feel like, you know, your shoulders are a little bit sensitive or that's something that's important to you, I think you'll really like this Becky bag because unlike most of the other Saint Laurent bags, it has the same strap style as the Loulou does with the leather in the middle, and the brushed gold hardware is substantial. I love the look of hardware on bags. It's something that I really enjoy, especially when you're paying a higher price like this. I think that's where, you know, the quality of the hardware and the quality of the leather are really the two places that you want to see something really exceptional. But it's often very heavy and thick, and with this bag it's much more on the finer side. Only a little bit thicker than the hardware you'd see on, say, like a Bulgari bag, you know, that have the more dainty hardware. So I really like that, and I think it feels very proportional to the bag. And like the Chanel wallet on chain, there are so many different ways to wear this chain because it's doubled up and it passes through. So you can lengthen it where it crossbody like this, and you can tuck this leather part if you don't like that being on the outside. You can tuck it on the inside, no problem. And it just kind of goes in there like this. Or you can tuck in the entire chain as well if you want. Let's say you're going out and you're going to be more of a, you know, kind of handbag on the table kind of style. You can tuck the whole thing in and do a better job than I did with this chunky part popping out, and it's just completely concealed, and it's still remarkably light. Lambskin on this is beautiful, and I really enjoy how they've done a quilted look. It's a little bit different. A lot of Saint Laurent bags have chevron, and I'm here for that, but I have so many that are like that. The entire Loulou collection is like that. I like that the Becky is quilted, and it's got triple stitching, which feels, I don't know, a little bit more interesting, industrial. I mean, it's still a dressy, girly bag, but I just really love this dark beige color for me, for my wardrobe. I tend to wear a lot of neutral sandals, but also look really good with black accessories. And there's just kind of this earthy color, or a lot of earthy kind of tones in a lot of the things that I reach for in the spring and summer. So Love this bag, so happy with it. And then let me show you yours. So she gave me the big dressy bag for the giveaway box, and it looks like this, just like mine does. And I'll show you what it looks like quickly on the inside. Part of the advantage of them having such pared down packaging is that there's also not too much for me to mess up by showing you the inside. So see if I can prop it up. The grand reveal of the giveaway bag. And I will announce the giveaway winner in a video and on Instagram for this because it is a bigger prize. So I know you'll be looking out for that. But here's what it looks like. She put tissue paper on this one, so I don't want to mess with it too much, but it has exactly the same brushed hardware, and it is the same size as the other bag that I got for myself. So I absolutely love this one. It's brand new, it has no scuffs, no nothing. It's super crisp, and just love it. Here, let me show you the inside really quickly. Here it is. And it's really pretty nice and roomy. You could fit anything you want really in terms of small makeup items, technology. If you had a small wallet or card case and you don't want to put your cards in the back, you could also do that. It's roomy enough for that, that it doesn't force you to do that. And of course, you know, it's got a dust bag. I love that the dust bag, it's a little thing sometimes because I love that the dust bag for this bag actually is small. Oftentimes they'll give you quite a giant one that doesn't fit very well. So put that back in the box, and that's going to be the prize for a lucky giveaway winner. I guess if I was smart, I would do this video as part of my site relaunch, but really in my heart what this video is a thank you for sticking around while I kind of take my time from a creative perspective to decide what I want to do with my site and with the content I want to plan for this channel. So it's a thank you for your patience to do this big giveaway, and certainly the first of many as well. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having a good summer so far, and I will see you in my next installment on style and to announce the winner of this beautiful bag.